So what we got for you guys today is a 2015 Chevy Impala V6. Got converters on the manifold there and there somewhere. Then it's got a third converter, huge resonator that we're gonna cut off, and two suitcase mufflers out the back, one here, one here. We're gonna cut those off too. Basically, we're gonna straight pipe it all. Let you guys hear it in a minute. After, we'll show you and let you hear it. So we showed you guys before, and now my guy put a little bit of style into it too. So we'll show you after what we did on it. So we didn't touch anything up here, you know, the factory converters and all that BS. Then we did a resonator delete, as you can tell was huge right there. Then we did a muffler delete, both suitcases. And he put them out to the sides with style. Because you gotta have style when you drive this car. See? That's everything we cut off right there. There they are. When it's on the ground, you won't see nothing. Be nice and clean. So we did both muffler deletes and resonator delete. Let you guys hear it in a second. I hope you guys like it. Rev it up to like 3,500. Let's see the peak. Be a lot louder. Wow. About 97, 98.
It stops at 3,000 RPM.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Automatically.
So once I get on it,
yeah, it'll get it louder. Bring it back. It's got a rev limiter at 3,000. You know what we need to put? 6-inch tips down on the bottom. Imagine that.
That would be funny.
Yeah. It's deep. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Impala. They come in quiet, leave loud.